Welcome to part 2 of Winston's post-surgery exam. For those of you who have just joined us, Winston has woken up from surgery and he has been set up with a workflow sheet inside of Vet Radar. Let's go see how he's doing and get the rest of those tasks completed. A short while later, somebody else in the team is looking at the large electronic whiteboard in the treatment room where they notice that Winston still has some tasks to be completed. They begin to collect urine and draw blood, ticking off the tasks on the nearest device as they go. This means that when anybody else goes to check in on Winston later in the day, they'll see where Winston is up to and what time the tasks were completed. It also means that if any of the tasks were incomplete, it's very easy to pick up and finish the results. For the nurse exam, a basic TPR has been completed, which is entered into Winston's sheet. When the doctor examines Winston, additional notes are added into the assessment section. After the doctor's examination, continue to go through Winston's worksheet and carry out any tasks that need to be done, making sure to mark off all the started tasks as complete so they're all up to date. Finally, Winston's blood results come back normal. Therefore, the owner is ready to be notified so Winston can be discharged, and we expect to see him again for his next vaccination appointment.